In the heart of Southeast Asia, nestled within the lush jungles of Cambodia, stands an architectural marvel that has weathered the test of time: Angkor Wat. A symbol of national pride, a beacon of religious significance, and a testament to the grandeur of the Khmer Empire, Angkor Wat continues to captivate the world with its intricate design and rich history. The story of Angkor Wat begins in the early 12th century, during the reign of King Suryavarman II. With a vision to build a state temple dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu, the king embarked on an ambitious project that would last over 30 years. The temple, unlike others, faced west, a direction traditionally associated with death, leading many to believe it was also intended as the king's mausoleum. But the grandeur of Angkor Wat was not limited to its physical structure. The temple's walls tell tales of Hindu mythology and Khmer history, etched in stone for eternity. The extensive bas-reliefs depict scenes from the Indian epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata, alongside representations of Suryavarman II himself, thus blending the divine and the earthly in an intricate dance of stone. In the late 13th century, Angkor Wat underwent a significant transformation. As the Khmer Empire embraced Buddhism, so did the temple. The Hindu deities were replaced with Buddhist figures, turning the temple into a site of Buddhist worship that continues to this day. Despite the change in religious affiliation, Angkor Wat's significance as a symbol of Cambodian identity remained undiminished. It survived the fall of the Khmer Empire in the 15th century, the ravages of time and war, and even the threat of nature reclaiming it. Today, it stands as the world's largest religious monument and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the Khmer people. In summary, Angkor Wat is much more than a temple. It is a symbol of a nation's identity and a testament to its history. Conceived in the 12th century as a state temple and mausoleum for King Suryavarman II, its intricate bas-reliefs blend Hindu mythology and Khmer history. The temple's shift from Hinduism to Buddhism reflects the religious evolution of the Khmer Empire. Despite the trials of time and history, Angkor Wat continues to stand proud, a resilient symbol of Cambodia's past, present, and future.